Are you looking for Starpets promo codes and coupon codes? In this video, I help solve that problem. I found a website which is vthrift.com/star-pets. I will put the link in the description. This is probably the best website which shows the promo codes. There will be one promo code which is available. Currently, at the time of making this video, it's called Lily. You can copy the code from here, and if you scroll down, you'll find Starpets promo history. And under it, you will see that every 2 minutes there's someone who's using the code. And one even said that the coupon code is working. So let's copy this and go to starpets.gg. In here, I'm going to show you that this promo code is working. Inside it, go here, profile, click on it, and under it, you'll find promo codes. Click it and it will give you this pop-up. Under the promo code, let's just right click it and paste it. Now activate the promo code. It says promo code activation, select reward, which says random, spin the wheel of fortune. Let's just select it and confirm. It says free spin, your reward. Let's select on spin wheel. And now we can spin the wheel to get a star pet. Let's try it. We've got one available spin. These are all the options that you can get out of this. I got this. This is a newborn mouse that I got as a star pet with the promo code that I used. So this is how you can find the star pets promo codes and discount codes. I'm sure they're going to update this website to have discount codes as well. Even one day ago, there's someone saying that it works. Keep checking this page. Maybe they will update it with a discount code, which will give you a discount on your next purchase. So now you know how to find the Starpets promo codes and discount codes. I hope this helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment.